Unwrapping the Phrase Wrapped. Hello learners! Today, we're going to dive deep into the phrase wrapped. It's a word you might have come across in different contexts. By the end of this video, you'll understand its meanings and how to use it properly in sentences. Let's get started. When we think of the word wrap or wrapped, the first thing that might come to mind is covering something using a piece of material. For example, she wrapped the gift with colorful paper. The sandwich is wrapped in foil. In these examples, wrapped indicates that something is enveloped or covered completely. Beyond its literal sense, wrapped has several figurative meanings. Here are some of them. 1. Wrapped up in. This means being completely engrossed or absorbed in something, to the point of distraction. 2. She's so wrapped up in her book that she didn't hear the doorbell. 3. Wrapped around one's finger. This implies someone has complete control or influence over another person. 4. He has her wrapped around his finger. She does anything he asks. 5. Get or have something wrapped up. This means to complete or conclude something. 6. Let's get this meeting wrapped up so we can go for lunch. While using wrapped, there are some common mistakes to avoid. 1. Don't confuse wrapped with wrapped. While wrapped deals with covering or being engrossed, wrapped means giving complete attention. 2. Correct. He was wrapped in thought. 3. Incorrect. He was wrapped in thought. 4. Use the appropriate preposition. For instance, when talking about being engrossed in an activity, use wrapped up in, and not just wrapped in. 5. Correct. He's wrapped up in his work. 6. Incorrect. He's wrapped in his work. And there we have it. The word wrapped is versatile and can be used in various contexts. Remember, the literal meaning relates to covering, while its figurative uses can express being engrossed, having influence, or completing something. Always ensure you're using the right context to avoid misunderstandings. We hope this video has been helpful in understanding the phrase wrapped. Keep learning and stay curious.